Yeah, say I taste like sugar, but ain't sweet.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This time I am back doing another wig review for you guys. I know it's been a long time, but I found this wig and I just absolutely adore it. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a review for you guys, let you know how I feel about this wig. Now I do apologize because I've worn this wig a couple of times already. This isn't gonna be like an unboxing thing of my perspective, just, you know, kind of how I feel about this wig. Alrighty guys, so first things first, the basic points of this wig. I got this wig at my local beauty supply store and the name of it is Mayde Beauty Lace Sleek Touch Lace Front Wig, and it's in the style Sleek Straight. Now I got this color that's on this picture, and the name of this color specifically is BMB Bronze, or BM Bronze for Baby Mama Bronze. Alright, that's what I want to call it. Alright, so like I mentioned earlier, I got this wig from my beauty supply store. It was $29.99 at my beauty supply store, which I'm sure you could probably find even cheaper online. I will get the link for you and put it down below. Okay, so some facts about this wig. It is curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. It also has teeth in the back and 2 teeth up front for security. It also has a little drawstring in the back, so it's definitely like big head, small head friendly. And it was a lace front, so it had a little lace right here. I cut that lace off, and it comes with baby hair already, which I'm still kind of learning, you know, how to perfect that, but it helps when they kind of already have baby hair because I don't have to cut it myself. So I just kind of gelled my little baby hairs down, but because it's such a super sleek wig, it doesn't even, like, you don't really need to see baby hair too much. Not the wind blow, y'all gonna see it, but it's really okay because it is so sleeky. Now another thing about it is back to the color, which I have to say is my most favorite thing about this wig, y'all. The Baby Mama Bronze. BM Bronze for, I'm sure it's probably like brown mix bronze. It has like this blondish in the back and the bottom of it, and it's a really pretty chocolate blend. And ooh guys, I love it. I love the color. I'm actually looking for a human hair wig that is like this because this color is popping. I feel like it makes my skin pop and everything, and I've been wanting to do like browns and nude looks with it. So yeah, it's so super cute. One thing I do have to say though is, unfortunately, because it's a synthetic blend and because you're dealing with a long straight wig and it is blonde, the roots are already a little nappy. Now I've put some oil on it and I've brushed it, and I try just not to touch it as much as I possibly can, but it definitely, if the wind's blowing or something, those wispies are going to get all up in your face. It's going to be a little bit annoying, but I mean, it's such a cute wig, guys. Like, this is not like an everyday wig for you to put on. No, it'll get nappy too fast. It won't last at all. However, if you have like a cute little weekend planned where you want to look like a Kardashian or something, like, this is a good wig for that, I will say. I mean, guys, seriously, it's really cute, and I love the length of it, and I love the color, and I love how sleek and straight it is. But it is a synthetic blend, and I can tell that it is not going to last too long. So if you guys are looking for a cute little wig for like a special occasion or something, I definitely say this wig is a go. I mean, I really like it. I wish it lasted longer. So now I'm going to be looking for wigs that are kind of this color, kind of sexy chocolate color, because I definitely think that that's A1 about it. But yeah, so this is my opinion on this wig. I hope you guys like it. If you do like it, please let me know. I've got some more wigs that I'm going to be doing some videos for, so look out for those videos. And please comment if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, if you want to know about this makeup look. I did record that, so be looking out for that video too, guys. Thanks for coming to my channel, and have a great day.
What was happening? What was happening?